Hello, welcome to London Car Alarm Cup. Today we've just done another Starline Solaris S Series on a 2020 Mercedes Sprinter. On here we've got immobiliser mode, horn honk, shock sensor to the side, shock sensor to the rear, and obviously call alert. Working off the existing remote control. So as soon as I lock it, as soon as I zap it, you'll get one chirp. You'll see that actually shortly you'll see a bubble go around. The vehicle and the system is armed. When you come back and disarm it, tap it there. Two bleeps, two flashes, you'll see the bubbler go away and it will go into immobiliser mode. That means if I try and start it now, obviously it won't start, but if I try and start it on this one here, something very special will happen, not like a standard S Series. So I'm going to show you shortly. So just spare me a second. I'm just going to put the video on pause and I'm going to show you how it's actually going to work. So now if you watch carefully, it's in the immobiliser mode. So if I now make an attempt on here, the vehicle's parked on a hill. So if they were to roll it or try and start it, this is what would happen. So obviously I'm going to show you now initially what the customer would normally do to disarm the system. If you see the padlock on the actual vehicle, that means it's immobilised. So if I try and start it, I won't be able to start it. So I'm just going to turn the start button on. So 1, 2 to main ignition. As you can see, the ignition has come on here. I'm going to insert a code which is going to change after the video. So tap, 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 tap. Watch the blue light's going to go out and obviously going to come out of immobiliser mode. There you go. So if you watch carefully, with a few seconds you'll see the padlock will disappear and I'll be able to start it. A little bit slow on here because obviously it's going up to a server, but the system is disarmed, so now I'll be able to start it. Okay, and I'm able to drive away. If you notice carefully, the vehicle's obviously ignition is on and shortly you'll see it running. There you go, vehicle's running, it's out of immobiliser mode. Okay, as soon as I turn off the start button, the system will go back into immobiliser mode. So if someone was to do a relay attack on here and try and obviously start it, this is what's going to happen. Slightly different to most S Series, this is our bespoke system. So it's in immobiliser mode. I'm going to try and start it and watch it go mad. There you go, it's going mad. Obviously you can hear it. It's triggering, so it's going to need a code. So let's just insert the code. It's obviously calling us as well. Let's just kill the call. There you go, system is disarmed and we're able to start it. So normally what the customer would do is main start button on, insert the code because it's in immobiliser mode. See the blue light is on, so insert our code which we're going to change after the video. Wait till the light goes out and then we'll be able to start the vehicle. So obviously no noise, no calls, no alarm triggering, no horn triggering. Vehicle's now running. Okay, so let's just now what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to set the alarm and I'm going to show you how it's going to go off. Okay, so now I'm going to arm the alarm from within the vehicle. I'm going to wait for it to set. See it's flashing away. Shortly you're going to see a little bubble over the top. System is armed. Give it about a minute and I'm going to apply a force to the vehicle and you're going to hear it trigger again. Okay, so on here it comes with tilt, motion, shock, immobilisation mode, call alert, and obviously an app based system. Okay, it also comes with a basic tracker which we're not obviously showing you the map for security reasons. So it should be set now. So let's just trigger it. Okay, bear me a second. There you go, alarm's going off and it's going to give us a call. There you go, the app's telling us and we're going to get a phone call shortly. Here it goes, calling us again. Okay, let's just answer it. Also on here you can obviously use the app if you wanted to arm it and disarm through the app. So basically if we just basically hit the lock, wait for the green light to go across the top, system will arm. As you can see, system is now armed. Okay, blue light is flashing, and then when we come back to the vehicle again, zap it again, system disarms. Obviously if it's parked in a car park and we need to know where it is, obviously you can see it's in immobiliser mode. So if I just tap that, wait for the green light to go across the top, there you go, we can use it as a vehicle locator. So what I'm going to do now, finally, I'm going to arm it from the outside. I'm going to show you that we fitted side shock sensor and rear shock sensor, so if they apply a force, we're just trying to minimise damage. Okay, bear with me a second. So now again I'm going to arm it from the outside. There's our one chirp. You can see a bubble go over the top. The system's going to be armed. I'm going to wait for it to set and then I'm going to apply a force. So if you just keep watching carefully, we'll give it about a minute to set. Okay, so the system should be set now, so I'm going to apply a force to the back. So if you watch carefully, we can do the back or we can do the side. So let's just do the side. There you go, alarm's going off, telling us on the app and shortly he's going to give us a call. Okay, there's our call. Let's just kill it. There you go. So as I said on here, this is the Starline Solaris S series with immobiliser mode and horn honk, tilt and motion shock, call alert, shock sensor to the side, shock sensor to the rear. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.